Modern technology is now providing super low-cost remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, for work in the submarine world, as well as for the exploration and enjoyment of many underwater mysteries. In an age of microprocessors and robotics, remote-controlled underwater cameras are fast becoming the working tools for a vastly unexplored entity. Mares ROV Technologies has launched 2 low-cost remotely operated underwater video systems, making access to the underwater world instantly available. The Titan Scout and Titan Commando represent the new generation of ROV. Light, compact, durable and affordable, ideal for underwater exploration in all its applications. The system consists of the remote-operated vehicle, the operating console, power pack, tether and a colour video monitor which may be supplied with the system or purchased separately. The system is easily connected and usually runs off shipboard or mains power. However, an optional 12-volt DC power pack is available. Losing a Titan is virtually impossible as the tether incorporates a Kevlar strength member which is securely anchored at both ends. In the unlikely event that the props get fouled, the onboard microprocessor automatically shuts down the power to the overloaded motor, protecting all parts from damage. All signalling from the console is digital, eliminating noise problems common in older analog systems. The operator is able to see underwater via a CCD colour video camera with a super wide-angle lens. The lens allows extreme close-up work with good resolution and is sensitive enough to work in low light conditions. Tungsten halogen lamps are also standard equipment on both models and can be switched on and off from the console. Both ROVs are the culmination of a decade of refinement and testing worldwide and have performed well from the freezing waters off Scandinavia to the tropical seas of the Caribbean. Built of marine-grade aluminium body with a stainless steel frame and modern industrial plastics, these machines are tough enough to provide reliable service in the corrosive marine environment. The Titan Scout is basically a flying eyeball with a fixed camera and 2 lamps. The Titan Commando, however, has additional features such as an extra light, camera tilt, camera lock, and auxiliary power available for powering additional equipment such as metering devices, which may be attached to the vehicle. Both systems can be safely used for operations where divers may be at risk, and there's no limit to the time they can spend submerged. In this application in Melbourne, the Titan operator was examining water pipes for build-up of sediment. Both ROV models are easily transportable and can be deployed, operated and retrieved quickly and simply by one person, making them ideal for recreational use as well as industrial purposes. Once underwater, the ROVs fly like a helicopter. Operation is simple and immediately effective. A double joystick controls forward and reverse, up and down, the left and right thrusters, and lights on and off. The machines can be fitted with either PAL or NTSC cameras, and recording of the underwater scenes can be made on any VCR built to accept a direct camera signal. Most modern VCRs have a camera signal input port. There's no costly and annoying maintenance schedule required to keep the equipment operational. Back on board, just wash the machine down in fresh water and store in a cool, dry area. A 1-year or 400-hour warranty comes with each machine. Warranty details can be found in the fully comprehensive operator's handbook. Because of its versatility and ease of operation, the Titan Commando and Titan Scout are used in a variety of applications. Whenever there's a need to explore and record underwater, the Titan Commando and Titan Scout ROVs are the reliable and professional choice for underwater operations.